Have you ever dreamed of seeing an animal in an Olympic competition? Imagine for a moment that the Olympic Games are not only reserved for human athletes, but also includes creatures from the animal kingdom with amazing abilities. How would their abilities compare to the current Olympic champions? In this video, you will find out what records animals would break in 5 different competitions. We'll do it with an approach that will reveal data and analysis you may have never considered. Have you ever wondered what an animal with unique abilities would do in a competitive environment? Stay tuned as we unravel this fascinating exercise in imagination, and we discovered how close these animals would be to taking gold in the Olympic Games. You don't want to miss how nature could compete with humans in a form of athletics you've never seen before. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. Be part of the aesthetic community. Number 1. Cheetah, 100 meters flat. In the 100-meter dash category, the cheetah is undoubtedly the undisputed king. This feline can reach astonishing speeds of up to 112 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds, leaving any human record behind. A detailed study on the biomechanics of the cheetah, titled Biomechanics of the Cheetah, Speed and Agility, reveals how this feline reaches speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, highlighting his unique bone structure and running technique that allow him to dominate short distances with impressive acceleration. The cheetah's biomechanics are the key to its speed. Your spine acts like an extremely flexible spring, allowing it to compress and expand its body with each stride. This ability allows him to cover enormous distances with each step, reaching up to 8 meters in a single jump. Additionally, its long limbs are optimized for speed, with specialized muscles that generate explosive power. Added to this is a cardiovascular system designed to withstand short and intense races. His heart and lungs large. They provide the necessary blood flow and oxygenation to maintain an elevated heart rate, although its incredible acceleration and top speed are unmatched. The cheetah can only maintain this effort for about 20 to 30 seconds before your body starts to overheat, which puts his performance in a 100-meter race into perspective. Compared to human athletes, your body is designed for maximum running efficiency, making him the undisputed champion in this Olympic discipline. Number 2. African elephant, weightlifting. In the weightlifting discipline, the African elephant stands out as the most imposing competitor. This savanna giant can lift and carry weights that no other land animal could handle, thanks to his incredible brute strength and robust bone structure. An adult elephant can weigh up to 6 tons, and surprisingly, it is capable of carrying up to 25% of its own weight on its back, which is equivalent to lifting approximately 1.5 tons with no apparent effort. The research, The Strength of Elephants, Comparative Analysis of Force Production by, demonstrates how the muscle mass and bone structure of the African elephant allow it to support and move large weights, offering a perspective on his raw strength that could redefine weightlifting in the Olympic context. The key to this amazing strength lies in their extremely dense bone structure and massive muscles. The bones of the elephant, especially in its legs, they are like solid pillars that support not only its own weight but also any additional load. Additionally, its torso, an extremely versatile muscular organ, acts as a 5th limb, capable of lifting heavy objects with surprising precision. In comparison, the strongest human weightlifters can lift just over 500 kilograms in a squat or deadlift, which pales in comparison to what an elephant could accomplish. The bone density of the elephant not only contributes to its ability to support large weights, but also gives it unparalleled stability, essential for handling such immense loads without risk of fractures or injuries. If weightlifting were a discipline in the Animal Olympics, there would be no doubt that the African elephant would take the gold medal, proving that in terms of sheer brute force, it is unrivaled in the animal kingdom. Number 3. Bottlenose dolphin, swimming 200 meters freestyle. In freestyle swimming competition, the bottlenose dolphin is an exceptionally efficient swimmer, whose body is designed to glide through the water with minimal resistance. This cetacean can reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour, easily surpassing any human swimmer, thanks to its superior hydrodynamics and its perfect adaptation to the aquatic environment. The secret to its speed lies in the shape of its body, which is elongated and fusiform, reducing friction with the water and allowing it to move with unmatched grace. In addition, dolphin skin has unique properties. It is composed of microstructures that minimize turbulence and therefore water resistance, allowing you to maintain your speed with less effort. Unlike human swimmers, who must constantly exert effort to overcome the resistance of the water, the dolphin uses its powerful tail, or fluke, to propel itself forward with undulating movements that are highly energy efficient. The study Hydrodynamics of Bottlenose Dolphins Speed and Efficiency in Aquatic Environments by Dr. Robert L. Smith explores how the bottlenose dolphin uses its body shape and swimming technique to achieve high speed with great efficiency, comparing these features with the abilities of human swimmers. Its musculature is adapted to produce a constant and powerful force, which translates into a constant and sustained speed over long distances, like 200 meters. Studies have shown that the dolphin's ability to regulate energy distribution during swimming allows you to maintain optimal speed without tiring quickly, which makes him an undisputed champion in this discipline. His dominance in the pool would be indisputable, proving that when it comes to speed and efficiency on the water, humans simply cannot compete. Number 4. Red kangaroo high jump. In the high jump discipline, the red kangaroo is positioned as a formidable contender, using its impressive muscle elasticity and the ability to accumulate and release energy efficiently. This marsupial, which can reach a height of up to 3 meters in a single jump, it makes the most of the energy stored in its powerful hind leg muscles. Unlike human athletes who rely on explosive strength and technique to clear the bar in the high jump, the kangaroo uses a unique biological mechanism. Your tendons act like natural elastic bands, accumulating energy when the kangaroo prepares to jump, and then releasing it explosively to propel it to great heights. The analysis of jumping performance of red kangaroos, Muscle Elasticity and Energy Storage by Dr. Emily J. Thompson highlights how muscle elasticity and the ability to store and release energy allow the kangaroo perform high jumps, a feature that could revolutionize high jumping in the Olympic Games. This energy efficiency is key for their long and repetitive jumps, allowing you to cover extensive distances without quickly depleting your resources. In addition, the kangaroo has a skeletal structure designed to withstand the impacts of landing after each jump, which minimizes the risk of injury, a crucial factor in their natural habitat. Compared to the human high jump records, which are around 8 feet, the red kangaroo not only outperforms them, but does so with an economy of energy and a level of precision that would be the envy of any Olympic jumper. If there were a high jump competition at the Animal Olympics, the red kangaroo would definitely take the gold medal, demonstrating that their biology is perfectly adapted to excel in this discipline. Number 5. Gorilla Javelin Throw. In the discipline of javelin throwing, the gorilla would be a formidable competitor thanks to its impressive strength and ability to execute precise movements. Gorillas, which can weigh up to 200 kilograms, they have robust muscles, especially in the upper part of the body, which provides them with a solid foundation to generate a large amount of force. And upper body strength and precision in gorillas. Implications for Throwing Mechanics per Dr. Mark H. Johnson examines the upper body strength of gorillas and how this ability could be applied to javelin throwing, offering insight into how its power and precision could influence this Olympic discipline. The gorilla has notable strength in its arms and shoulders, which are essential for javelin throwing. In nature, these primates use their strength to move across terrain, climb trees, and defend their territory. This same force could be applied in the javelin throw, where the ability to generate power is crucial. Additionally, your ability to perform precise movements, such as throwing objects or manipulating tools, would result in an effective throwing technique. The gorilla's arm and back muscles are adapted to support and direct force in explosive movements. During the throw, the gorilla would use his strength to throw the javelin with power, using your agility to coordinate movement and maintain precision. His ability to generate and control force would be reflected in the distance and accuracy of the throw, making the gorilla a leading contender in this Olympic discipline. In a javelin throwing competition between animals, the gorilla would demonstrate impressive performance, combining his brute strength with surprising throwing accuracy, which would place him in a prominent position on the podium. Do you have any additional thoughts or questions about animal strength? So share your experiences and questions, and together we can learn and improve. Also, if you enjoyed this video and found the information useful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your fitness-loving friends. Subscribe for more useful and motivating content. Let's give it our all and achieve our goals. Remember, every small adjustment you make to your routine can have a big impact on your long-term results. Keep your motivation high, keep learning and adapting your approach, and you'll see your efforts eventually pay off. Remember, we upload videos from Monday to Friday. Stay aesthetic!